place is filled with people. There's my dad over there talking on the phone. There's a guy on the rock. Oh, there he goes. He brought us here. A little guy on the rock. I mean, this waterfall is just amazing. Beautiful. And the mist, you can feel the mist hitting you so bad. And then if you look down, you can see actual fishes jumping out of the water right now. You can see them jumping out of the water. I don't know, Leslie. Question, Google it. Whoever's looking at this, salt water or not?